Hello everyone, this is Jennifer Brown, Family Consumer Science Agent with the North Carolina Cooperative Extension Service in Person and Granville counties. This is your Monday morning wake-up call. So last week I mentioned the My Plate and we talked about the fruits and veggies category. So today I just want to briefly touch base about the grains category. Grains are very important. They give you a good bit of your fiber. We want to make sure that half of our grains are whole grains. And in order to do that, we have to look at our labels. So on all the boxes, bags, and cans that you purchase is a label. So I've got my 2 boxes of cereal. So we're just gonna kind of compare the cereals a little bit. So my Cheerios is 1 cup is a serving. My Honey Nut Cheerios is 3/4 of a cup of serving. So again, that's important to understand the difference there. That I am allowed to get more of a serving of the Cheerios than I am the Honey Nut Cheerios. But with regards to the grains, what you're going to do is you're going to look at the label there. You're going to go beneath all the numbers to where it has the list of ingredients. And you want to make sure that the first ingredient is a whole grain product. So it's going to say, this one says whole grain oats. So we know that this is a whole grain product. Now you have to be careful because a lot of labels will say made with grains, made with 100% grains. They'll say multi-grain. They'll say a variety of different things, but the one true way to know if it's a whole grain is to look at your ingredient list and make sure the first ingredient is a whole grain. So then I pick up my Honey Nut Cheerios and it says that the first ingredient is whole grain oats, and sure enough it is. So both of these products are good whole grain products. If you're concerned, you can look a little bit further at the label. This has 1 gram of sugar per serving, which is 1 cup. This has 9 grams of sugar per serving, and it's only 3/4 of a cup. So out of these 2 options, this would be the better ones. They're both whole grains. This has sugar because it has the honey. So it's a decision that you can make up for yourself. Looking at the labels is very important. Looking at the ingredients, the amount of sugar, the fat, the salt, all of that. Again, this has been Jennifer Brown, Family Consumer Science Agent with the North Carolina Cooperative Extension Service. Thanks for tuning in this week.